Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to cosine of 2x over 5. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have negative number 2 over 5 sine of 2x over 5 dx. Because we don't have negative number 2 over 5, so we need to divide both sides by this one. This one we change by u, and we have u to the power of 3. This one we change by negative number 5 over 2 du. The integration of this one, we have u to the power of 4 over 4, and I will put about c. 4 and number 2, we have number 8. About u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.